Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make my videos the easy way, and I'll show you what I use and how to use it. So firstly, I use Steam, which is a free download. It's got many different games you can play. I use it for Garry's Mod, which is a basic sandbox, and it's easy to use and play around with characters and objects. So you will need to install Garry's Mod. It costs a few pounds or bucks depending on which country you're in. So once you've installed it, you can go to the workshop where you can find all sorts of add-ons and maps, weapons, things that you're going to use in the game. So here's all the different things. You can see you've got the maps, you've got weapons, towns, roleplay. So let's narrow the search down to maps, so we only see the maps. What I'll do is I'll get a new map as an example for today's video. So let's narrow the search down again. So I want like a spooky themed map, so let's go for haunted house. I'm going to try out, let's have a look here. Yeah, let's go for that one. Prop hunt, haunted house. So this is just a basic map, sandbox. In fact, it's a prop hunt, but it's just a basic one we can use for now. So all you have to do is click subscribe, and that automatically puts it in your inventory on a Garry's Mod. So that's ready. So let's go to the next one. The next one we want to get is let's have a look. We'll go to add-ons, and this time we're going to search for Spinel. There we go. This is the one that I've already got, the Spinel. It's got a few different characters in it. So these are just a few examples of what it's going to look like in the game. Like, you've got the player model there. If you've seen any of my videos, then you'll notice it's the same one. So as you can see, I'm already subscribed, so yeah, let's go back. Okay, let's go into Garry's Mod and start up the game. Get our new map loaded. Okay, come on, there we go. Right, it's loading up now. So as you can see at the bottom there, it's fetching a subscription. So all the new subscriptions you've just done needs to load, so don't press anything until that disappears. So here we go. Here's all the maps, my sandbox maps, and let's go to prop hunt, because that's where our prop hunt was. Yeah, there we go. There's haunted house. Okay, right, so here we are. We've got our new map. It's got a nice atmosphere, the spooky atmosphere. It's mist and fog, and it's got props already in it, so you don't have to modify the map too much. Okay, so let's go inside. Let's have a look. Right, okay, some of these you can move around with the physics gun. You can place them wherever you want, depending on what you want to use it for. Okay, let's get these doors shut. Okay, so what are we going to do first? Right, we're going to get our NPC. What I need to do is disable the thinking and ignore players. Otherwise, whoever I load up will kill me straight away. So make sure you've got them ticked off and have no weapons if you don't want it to kill you. Right, okay, let's go to Steven Universe. Look, I've got the pink diamond, garnet. This is evil Spinel. I'm sure you've seen this one before. Crazy girl. So at the moment, she won't do anything. We've got the physics gun. You can move it about, place or put her anywhere, but like I said, she won't do anything. So if we take off the disabled thinking, she will turn around and look at you, but she won't actually do anything. So yeah, so if you want to remove stuff, all you have to press is Z on your keyboard, and that removes the last thing that you uploaded. Okay, so now we're going to try with Spinel attacking us. So this is when you've got it unticked, the disabled thinking and ignore players. She will attack you. She wants to kill you. So press C to get rid of it. Okay, so you can also do join player squad. So if you have that selected, you can have whichever character you've got, you can have it follow you wherever you go. So if you just move around, she'll just follow you everywhere you go. Right, yeah, so just follow you around. So we'll get rid of that for now. So the next thing I want to show you is the camera. So right, so we're going to load up the tool gun, which has got the camera on it, and there's two types of cameras. There's a static camera and a tracking camera. So you've got to Left click the mouse for it to be static, and right click the mouse if you want it to be a tracking camera. So now you want to stand in front of the camera. You need to press M on your keyboard, and then it will show you the view from the camera side. So you can just have a little play about, test it, see what it's going to look like with different weapons. I like the lightsaber, it's my new weapon of choice. Yeah. You get your guns and whatnot. So that's basically the static camera. So what I'm going to do now is show you the tracking camera. So like I've just said, you need to place it and then right click, and that'll give you the tracking one, and as you can see it just follows you around, running around. Now I've only just learnt this one, so if you've been watching any of my videos, that's why I've only just started using the tracking camera. But yeah, it's pretty cool actually. Don't know why she's still got the lightsaber on her. Okay. So now I want to show you how to change your player model. Now the player model is what you're playing as now, so I'm playing as the evil Spinel. So all you have to do is press C on your keyboard, and the top left corner you can see player model. So these are all the different player models, but these you will need to download and subscribe to yourself in the workshop. So I've already done all this, so I've got loads of different characters here. We've got Five Nights at Freddy's, Sans, Bender. That's a good one. So now if you want to load it, you have to kill yourself, which is P on the keyboard, and then left click your mouse, and that will bring you back alive, and you'll now have the skin on. So just showing you an example now. For some reason the lightsaber puts you in first person, second person, yeah, one of the two. So yeah, that's how you change your player model. There's actually right, if you go to spawn list and go to add-ons, you have got regular ragdolls which you can sort of like place. There's loads of different objects that you can choose as well. You can place and put them in, you know, different scenarios, you know, if you want a table there or whatnot. So yeah, we've got Steven. He's got Steve from Minecraft. That's his player, his ragdoll, should I say. You can place him, pick him up, and if you right click, you can set him in that place. So if you want him to stand up, right click, and there you go, he's dropped. You can move each limb as well. If you want to move his arm, you place it and then right click, and it'll stop it right there for you. These ragdolls you cannot kill, you cannot hurt them in any sort of way. They're just exactly what they are, ragdoll. So don't take any damage, they don't die, whereas the NPCs, when you shoot them, they can die. So let's just kill him, kill him, kill him. Oh, we can't. Okay, so what weapons have we got here? Yeah, it's not happening. Right, so that's the basics really of how I make my videos. So let me just see. I'm going to get some NPCs loaded, and you can quickly see them in action. So let's see, we've got Pink Diamond. Yeah, Pink Diamond, Evil Spinel. So she's a friendly NPC. Evil Spinel is a hostile NPC, so she will kill anyone else. Get ready! She will kill, and after she's killed her, she's going to kill me. Alright, so yeah, that's basically it. If you've got any questions, you know, don't forget to comment down below in the comment section, and thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more. Yeah, if you've got any suggestions for new videos, more than welcome. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye.